Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional of 2 days. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, July the 30th, 2022, because it's today actually Sunday the 31st, and we don't receive any newspaper on Sunday, so I've decided to solve the rest of the newspaper of the yesterday's newspaper. And it's time for the last puzzle. Well, maybe the last puzzle, but this one is a tectonic, aka Saiva block in Dutch, with 1 star, and this will be number 4940. 4940. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here one single box, only one single box. Here the other one. Single box is always a 1. Dual boxes, I see here dual box contains the 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. Only one dual box, yeah. Triple box then. We see here a triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already filled in, so those two boxes should be the 1 and the 2. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Here, we have already the 5. This is 4 or a 5, but we already have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. One triple box, quadra boxes then. I see here one quadra box in an L shape. When you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape, is always a 5. Okay. More quadra boxes? No, only one quadra box. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. This T shape is upside down. Let me draw this T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Do you have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah. Here. Rotated. This box has the same name as that box. More? No, only 2 of them. Yes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same name as that box. More. Here, another one. This box has the same name as that box. And then, let me see. This box, or this shape. Let me draw the shape here. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. And it's connected with that box should be also a 1. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the last shape, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. This shape. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. And that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So here can be a 1. That box should be a 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4, it goes there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra L shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape quadra box for the numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and the 4. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So we have a pair left for the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here. So it can be 3 anymore, this box. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that these two boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Interesting. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. Well. This box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we see another 4 there, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box will be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. Okay. Let me think. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then well, this box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me think. 3, 5. I think. Why? This box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. It's in the same area. Can be a 4. So definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5 are missing. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And, well, maybe I see you later on in the afternoon or in the evening for the, maybe, I cannot promise you, for the Samurai Sudoku. Well, have a great and fantastic Sunday, and yeah, we will see. Until then, bye bye for now.